Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your Windows error free using two powerful commands to repair and optimize on your Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to repair or optimize your Windows using command, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open CMD, click on start menu, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on it. The first command is, you can see here DISM space / online space / cleanup -image space / scan health. You have to just copy and paste it. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste, or directly you can press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. After that it will take some time. After completion of this, the second command will be, again you have to open the CMD, right click on this, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste same first command and just delete the last word scan health. You have to remove it and type restore health. Then hit enter. After hitting enter, it will take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart your Windows. After restarting, hope your issue will be fixed. That's it guys. So this way you can fix or repair your Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.